Hello, my name is Marian, and I'm an illustrator who loves planning, journaling, and daydreaming. I wanted to share with you how I use pen and paper as someone who used to dread the idea. I have ADHD, so thought of sitting down and writing things down didn't seem right for me. But once I discovered the filofax and the planner community, I realized how much of a fun and creative thing this could be. So, yeah, I hope to inspire you, and let's go! So, in case you're wondering, this is the filofax Afiano in the color Vista Blue. I've been getting that question a lot online, so there's that. And here's the first thing you see when you open it up. On the left, you have these paper tabs. Here's a business card of my favorite stationery store. In fact, it's where I got these tabs, this clip, and this Hobonichi Weeks. So yeah, I'm a big fan. It's in Barcelona, so if you're visiting, I highly recommend. And then I have these two stickers that I made myself. I drew them, printed them, cut them up with a silhouette machine. Yeah, done by me from scratch. And here's the key. For those of you who don't know what it is, I plan on making a video about it and why it's so helpful for me as someone with a scattered brain. So if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe and ring that notification bell. So on to the next week. Here on the left we have this little pocket that came with the Hobonichi Weeks. But I decided to stick it here because the clear cover also has pockets, so I thought it was a bit unnecessary for me to have an extra one there, and why not put it here? And yeah, I just stuck some index stickers for my commonplace book, and since I'm always carrying them together, I thought, it'd be fitting to have those there. And then we're starting on this week of September because I started using this filofax on April, and prior to that I never used pen and paper, so I was just getting comfortable with it, and I feel like here's the moment where I started being comfortable in my system. And for example, this is when I started using this line to separate events from tasks, so that made everything so much better. Before that, everything was a bit messy, so that's why I want to start here. On to the next page. This is another sticker that I made of Kuromi, and this is an insert that is available for free on my Patreon, so if you're interested, the link is down below. And here I started my personal curriculum, including Gothic literature, so that's why I started reading Jane Eyre, and I'm loving it so much. I'm still about to finish it, but I'm obsessed. So yeah. And then here, Fridays are my content day, which means that I film, I take photos, and I schedule all my posts. And here you can see I made a Halloween printable for Patreon and Instagram. And yeah, then on Sunday I usually journal and clean, although now that's recently changed. Now I only journal because my boyfriend advised for me to do cleaning on a weekday so that Sundays I could relax. Next week is not too interesting, to be honest. The only thing I'll say is that I started really productive, but by the end I was kind of tired, so I took it slow, and you can visually see that. And I started using a habit tracker. On this week you can see another sticker by me, and this insert that looks the same as the previous one, but it's different. I'll show you. So here's the two inserts side by side. Obviously this one is smaller because I printed it in pocket size, and this one is on personal size, but apart from that you can notice a little bit of a color difference. This one is more vibrant and this one is more grayish and purplish, and you'll see in the future why I decided to do this. So going back to this week, it also wasn't a super crazy one. I did manage to get some work stuff done, and then here I also tried a habit tracker, but that was the last time I ever did it because it took up too much brain power. So yeah, and here I checked in for my flight to Spain, which you'll see on the next week. On my second week in Spain, I also had lots of fun, did lots of things, including getting this keychain, this one here, with my bestie. We both got the same one. I'm going to show you a picture on the screen. And she made me this bracelet ages ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, and I still have it. And I just added it here, and it just fits so well, and I'm so happy, and I love her so much. Thank you, Raquel. So yeah, I just added it here, and here's a perfume blotter from Miu Miu. This was on the duty free in the airport, and I just sprayed their newest perfume, which is called L'Eau Rosé. It's a rosy, musky, fresh perfume, which is cute. I like it, but I already have a very similar one, so I don't need to get it, but I like having the memory here, and my filofax smells really good now. So this is last week for you, and this current week for me, as it's Sunday. And surprise, surprise, some more art made by me. And just ignore the fact that this covers this whole thing. It's just that I've been filming for the past 3 days, and I've been writing lots of notes down, and it's quite messy, and I don't want to show it. But yeah, here was my first day back to the UK, and I've been adjusting, but still being kind of productive. I've been focusing very much on this new channel, so yeah, that's been fun. Yeah. So that's it for now. On my next video, I would like to talk about my plans for 2026 and my setup for the Hobonichi. So if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any topic suggestions that you would like to tell me, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be happy to read them. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, and see you soon. Bye bye.